Step number 1. Searching Vietnam.
Hello!
There's something about this guy I just can't live alone. So tell me, babe, what's it gonna be? He said you don't know what you mean to me. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you.
Have you ever feel like life just a routine? Wake up, work, sleep, and repeat. Maybe you feeling stuck, weighed down by pressure of work. Or you just want to prove yourself that there's to life than the daily grid. That reminds you how beautiful and meaningful your life can be. It's about experiencing something that reminds you how beautiful and meaningful your life can be. And today I will show you how to use Google Maps planning your incredible trip in Vietnam. Whether you are craving adventure, look to break free from routine, or searching for a moment, this video will help you create the trip of lifetime. Let's go now!
Step number 1. Searching Vietnam.
Vietnam is the destination that has everything. The lush mountains of Sapa, the stunning view beaches of Da Nang, the charmistic charm of Hanoi, and the peaceful beauty of Hội An. Let's use Google Maps to research the best place to visit. Step number 1. Open Google Maps and search Vietnam. You will instantly see popular spots like Ha Long Bay, the Mekong Delta, and iconic street food hotspots. Step number 2. Click on this place to read the review, see the photo, and find detailed information about opening hours and busy time. And the pro tip for you, explore features to uncover hidden gems like a local market or coffee shop in a small town. For example, if you are visiting Ho Chi Minh City, you might discover Bến Thành Market for authentic souvenir or Nguyễn Huệ Walking Street for vibrant nightlife. Imagine yourself enjoying the peaceful sunrise on the beach in Da Nang or sipping the traditional Vietnamese coffee in a quiet alley of Hanoi. These are the moments that you will make a feel alive, and Google Maps can help you find them. And step number 2. Building your personalized itinerary in Vietnam. This level of planning will help you feel control of your trip when you're stepping outside of your comfort zone. And step number 3, stay connected even though you have no internet. Navigating as a local. Vietnam is a country with diverse modes of transportation: motorbike, bus, boat, and even cycles. Google Maps is your best friend for navigating this vibrant town. For walking, using the pedestrian route to explore local neighborhoods. For example, walking around Hội An's ancient town will lead you to picturesque streets and laden-lit cafes. For public transit, Google Maps provides bus routes and schedules in big cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. Simple tap to transit icon and you're good to go. How about driving or motorbiking? Renting a motorbike, Google Maps can guide you to scenic routes like Hai Vân Pass or Ha Giang Loop, which is considered one of the most beautiful riding in the world. And how about the boat one? When exploring places like Ha Long Bay or Mekong Delta, search on boat tours on Google Maps to find the operator and reviews. And step number 4, Vietnam is full of surprise. Sometimes you can end up with the location without the internet. That's why the offline Google Map come in handy. Here's how to download offline maps. Step number 1, open Google Maps and search for a city or region. For example, now you can search for Hanoi. Step number 2, tap on your profile picture, then select offline map. Step number 3, download the area you will be visiting. Once downloaded, you can access map and navigate even without Wi-Fi or data. being preparing offline map, you feel secure knowing you can always find your way, even if you are in the countryside or you are in the village area. Step number 5, enhancing your Vietnam experience with Google Maps hidden feature. Here are a few advanced Google Maps features that can make your trip even better. Number 1, you can see the feature with the street view, visually explore street before you arrive. For example, you can check out a homestay neighborhood in Sapa before booking. Number 2, live view AR. You can use the equipment reality to navigate busy streets in city like Hanoi, where it can easy to get turned around. Number 3, restaurant reservation and menu. Tap on restaurant in Google Maps to read the review, view the menu, and even book the table. You can try it in Saigon to find the best pho or bánh mì spot. And number 4, real-time crowded data. You want to avoid tourist crowd? Google Maps show live data about how busy a place, so you can time your visit perfectly. Step 6. Why this trip will change your life? Vietnam isn't just a place, it's an experience. If you feel loose or burnt out, this trip can remind you of what really matters. Discovering new things, meet new people, and stepping out of your comfort zone. By using Google Maps, you can plan a trip that not only runs smoothly. By using Google Maps, you can plan a trip not only go smoothly, but also make your trip become special. Trust me, it's more than a vacation. It's a chance to recharge, reflect, and return home feeling inspired. Alright, that's it. With Google Maps, you have everything you need to planning the trip in Vietnam. If you feel this video helpful for you, don't forget to press the button like here, share the video, and comment for me the location you will travel in Vietnam. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye bye!